Pattern for the recognition of right ventricular outflow tract tachycardia on ECG is A. Right bundle branch block pattern with left axis deviation. B. Left bundle branch block pattern with right axis deviation. C. Left bundle branch block pattern with inferior axis. D. Right bundle branch block pattern with inferior axis. Correct answer C. Left bundle branch block pattern with inferior axis. Right ventricular focus will have left bundle branch block pattern, and a focus in the outflow tract gives rise to a downward activation front with inferior axis. Right hand murmur is A. Mid-diastolic murmur heard in complete heart block. B. Mid-diastolic murmur heard in mitral stenosis. C. Mid-diastolic murmur heard in aortic regurgitation. D. Mid-diastolic murmur heard in tricuspid regurgitation. Correct answer A. Mid-diastolic murmur heard in complete heart block. When the atrial contraction coincides with the rapid filling phase of the ventricle, the turbulent flow across the mitral wall produces this functional flow-dependent diastolic murmur. Reverse pulsus paradoxus is seen in all of the following except A. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, B. Cardiac tamponade, C. Intermittent positive pressure ventilation, D. Isorhythmic AV dissociation. Correct answer C. Cardiac tamponade. Pulsus paradoxus is seen in cardiac tamponade, that is, exaggeration of the inspiratory fall in pulse volume. Reverse pulsus paradoxus is inspiratory increase in pulse volume. Which of the following is a characteristic reperfusion arrhythmia? A. Atrial fibrillation, B. Junctional tachycardia, C. Accelerated idioventricular rhythm, D. Toss at the points. Correct answer C. Accelerated idioventricular rhythm. Occurrence of an accelerated idioventricular rhythm during thrombolytic therapy of myocardial infarction is taken as an indicator of successful reperfusion. The other important evidences are prompt relief of pain and more than 50% resolution of ST segment elevation at 90 minutes. Abnormal exercise blood pressure response in hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy has been defined as A. Progressive increase in blood pressure up to peak exercise. B. Failure to rise at least 20 millimeters of mercury or fall at least 20 millimeters of mercury from peak level. C. Fall in blood pressure of 30 millimeters of mercury at the onset of exercise. D. Failure to achieve a peak systolic blood pressure of at least 160 millimeters of mercury. Correct answer B. Failure to rise at least 20 millimeters of mercury or fall of at least 20 millimeters of mercury from the peak level. Abnormal exercise blood pressure response in hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy has been associated with increased risk of sudden cardiac death in younger individuals below the age of 40 years. Progressive increase in blood pressure up to peak exercise is the normal physiological response to exercise. The important mechanism of action of ranolazine is A. Inhibits late sodium current, B. Inhibits beta receptors, C. Inhibits L-type calcium channels, D. Inhibits transient outward potassium current. Correct answer A. Inhibits late sodium current. Ranolazine also inhibits beta oxidation of fatty acids partially. It acts as an anti-anginal agent by both these mechanisms. The role of ranolazine as an antiarrhythmic agent is emerging, with studies showing efficacy in atrial fibrillation. Which of the following tachycardias are not amenable to radiofrequency catheter ablation? A. Toss at the points, B. Bell-Hazens tachycardia, C. Atrioventricular nodal reentrant tachycardia, D. Atrioventricular reentrant tachycardia. Correct answer A. Toss at the points. Toss at the points is a polymorphic ventricular tachycardia with no specific focus of origin which can be ablated. Since it is associated with QT prolongation, measures to reduce the QT interval will suppress the arrhythmia. Magnesium infusion, correction of hypokalemia, isoprenaline infusion, overdrive pacing, and treatment of ischemia are the useful measures. Which of the following is not a formula for QT interval correction? A. Bessette, B. Fredericia, C. Hodges, D. Bernoulli. Correct answer D. Bernoulli. Bernoulli equation is for the calculation of gradient from the Doppler-derived velocity. All the rest are formulae for correction of QT interval. Osborn wave is seen in A. Hypocalcemia, B. Hypothermia, C. Hypokalemia, D. Hyperkalemia. Correct answer B. Hypothermia. Osborn wave is a small wave seen at the J point at the end of the QRS complex. It is seen in hypothermia. Other waves seen in this region are the epsilon wave and J wave of early repolarization syndrome. Nicorandil is A. Calcium channel blocker, B. Potassium channel blocker, C. Sodium channel blocker, D. Potassium channel activator. Correct answer D. Potassium channel activator. Nicorandil is an anti-anginal agent without any significant hemodynamic effect. Potassium channel blockers like sulfonylureas are better avoided in those receiving Nicorandil for obvious reasons. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.